Okay, what's he doing?
He's running.
He's running. How come he's not going down? Can you help? There he goes.
I hope he's going down there. The bug has to run down there.
Now where is he gonna go?
Back up.
Back up? Why is he going there? Why doesn't he try somewhere else? Can you get him over to here?
Okay, you have to.
Get him down. He needs to go down, right? Get him across and then down.
Start.
Yeah.
It's not working.
Then how do you get him? Can you get him down here next? There he goes. Can you get him over here next?
Yeah.
Well, pointing doesn't help, honey. You gotta help him. He's not looking at your finger.
Help.
There he goes. Just a little tap. Just a little tap, honey. There he goes. Back over he goes.
But he has to go over there.
Oh, well, I guess he forgot. Whoa. Now where are you going to send him?
Here. Or here.
Looks like he's in a loop. Oh, he's getting fast, is he?
Yeah.
Oh, he's coming back.
Quick. Quick. Sorry.
Sorry. Did you just say sorry to the bug?
Because he's not going to crawl across anymore.
Oh, but he likes to go across, doesn't he? There he comes.
I think a little tough might work.
Yeah.
He's going back down.
Is he going down? Does this one have a name?
Nope.
No.
Yes.
Now where is he going to go?
I think he's going to go here.
He's going back again? Oh, he's going in a loop now. I think you need to get him to find another way to go. Oh, down he goes. Is he going back again already?
Yeah.
He's a crazy guy, isn't he? That's loads of fun.